Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at rupees 1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows three-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tuesday and avail your courses at affordable prices.
We had completed all the levels, right? We had completed all the levels in Flappy. So why are everybody saying fourth one, seventh one, and eighth one? We have completed it, I remember. Yes. So those who are having some kind of a doubt, let me share. Those who are asking me fourth one, just cross check. This is the fourth one. It is saying that Flappy will fly through the obstacles unless you write the code to make him crash. Attach a block to the when hit an obstacle block. Okay, your code needs to end the game when the Flappy crashes into the first set of pipes. So whenever it is hitting an obstacle, you need to end the game. Okay, and click on run. So when you play it, so whenever it is hitting the obstacle, it will end the game. So that was puzzle number 4. Next one was puzzle number 7, the doubt I had been asked. So let me have the 7th one. What it says, try changing the scene by attaching another block to the vent run block. Whatever the background is there, we can change it. So let us try to change our background by using set scene. So whenever the code is getting started, so we need to change the background. Let's have underwater. So can you see the underwater has come up? Now those who are asking me the 8th one, just check the 8th. Now in this one, it is saying that we can actually change the scene whenever we want. Okay, whenever we want, we can change the scene. So it is saying that try to set a random scene when other events happen. For example, if it is passing the obstacle, we need to set the scene to random. So we'll add the block when pass obstacle, set the scene to random. Okay, let's run it. So whenever you are going to pass one obstacle, it will change. So I have not able to clear that one. That is the reason you couldn't see the change in the positions, a change in the background. Can you see whenever it was trying to cross it, it got 1 point and plus it was changing the scene. So that was level number 8. Now let's move on to level number 9. Those who had some doubt in level 9. In level 9, it is saying that to mix things up and hitting an obstacle. Okay, when hitting an obstacle, instead of ending the game, try setting the score back to 0. It is just saying that whenever you are hitting the obstacle, you need to set your score back to 0. Like this. Just run it and check. So whenever if you are able to score a point and if you are touching the obstacle, it is again going back to 0. Hey, those who are writing, please. Arey, what? Please, at least share what you are writing. I have. And those who are giving so many messages, please drop only one message. It is blocking other people's doubts. Type one message. I am gonna see. Don't type the same messages like you are just filling up because it is really difficult to teach and also have a look at the you look at the game that is being shown, right? Drop only a message whichever the doubt is there, whatever the doubt is there. Don't just spam up the text like just with some letters or numbers or whatever. So those who are doing it, kindly I'll request you, last 2 classes are there only. Please make sure you are not doing that. Now moving on to the next one. Now in this one you can create your own Flappy Bird. Like however you want, like whatever you want you can add into them. So those who have not done, I am giving you 5-10 minutes to do it. And if there is any doubt, then I'm gonna share it. Okay. So it is saying that when run, what all you want when you start your game? What all we want when we start our game? We can set the speed. So let's have set speed to normal. I can set the scene. Let me set the scene. Let me take a sci-fi. I don't want a yellow bird. I can set the player. Let's have the player as bat. I don't want an obstacle. As pipe, we can take laser. Done. We can have the ground. Whatever the ground you want, you can have it. So over here, you can, let's have a center ground, not center, let's have a cave ground. You can have a gap between whatever the gap you want in between the pipes, you can have it large, small, normal. Okay, so that is when run. What all you want when you are hitting the ground, we need to end the game. And also, if I want to have some sound with it, so I can have a play sound like this. So it is ending. So I am using a smash sound. Attach it like this. Whenever you are hitting an obstacle, so if it is hitting the obstacle, I am using set score to 0, and it should also have some sound. Let's say crunch. Whenever it is passing the obstacle, we need to make sure that whenever you are passing an obstacle, you are scoring a point and also you are getting a sound with it. So attach a point sound, and whenever you are clicking it, it should flap with a wing sound. So see, your game is ready. Your personalized game is ready. Run it. See, it is. So see, the lasers are coming up. Now, those who are saying, I have done this, I have done that, I am also having this and this and this, those who are saying doubts, just leave everything and concentrate what I am doing. I will not be able to repeat it a lot of times. I want all of you to concentrate on this. First, make sure that you are copying the link like this. Right click and copy. Right click and copy. Done. Add a new tab or open a new tab. Type TINY, tiny URL dot com. tinyurl.com and enter. After that, one new page is going to open up. Okay, one new page is going to be opened up. After that, what you need to do is you need to paste the link. How to paste it? You can right click and paste, or you can also use Control plus V. After pasting this link, you can actually add your name to it. Like for example, my name is Sonam. So I'll write Sonam's Flappy. Those who are having whatever the name that you want to give, you can give. Okay, just make sure. If it is done, after then click on make tiny URL. If I say make tiny URL, it will actually create your ID, and you can it will actually create a link to your game, and you can share copy this link to share it with your friends and family, and they can see it. So if I copy the link and I just go and paste that link to any browser or your parents, or so whenever it is going to whenever you are going to open it, so it is going to directly show this page.
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at rupees 1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows three-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutor and avail your courses at affordable prices.